kitties. These are my kitty. This is my cat. Videoing. It attacks his blanket. Scratching back down, and that's my sister Sophia.
Oh, she's nuts. He or she, whatever it is, isn't it?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, because you're talking to him, you know you're talking about.
Molly.
You must
Molly.
love yourself.
What's my cat's name? Raph.
No. You name her what you want. Rafi be called up. Or Rafi.
Yeah, Toffee.
Caffeine.
Scruff. 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 That's not his name though. Fee, what do you think I'm going to call her?
Tina Beer. Well done to my husband. Saturday night and he's on the water and she's got a can of lager in her hand.
These are my kitties. Fee, hold my video please onto my cat. That's my cat.
Just on their own in the house.
She's so cute. Everyone loves her. Everyone loves that one as well. Pretty.
Oh, I know Steve Couch tried to talk to her. His mother died New Year's Eve. Yeah. I was wondering why I hadn't heard from him.
Okay. I'm gonna go right by him.
She got taken in Christmas and she didn't survive New Year's. You haven't talked to me, Nicole. He doesn't want to talk to anybody. He doesn't want to see anybody.
You too.
Thank you.
Hello.